This is Dante with Clark County Plumbing. I am at address 1497 E Street in Washougal, zip code 98671. We have gained access through the 3-inch cleanout on the right-hand side of the structure. There is a cleanout inside the concrete of the driveway. We have pushed out approximately 82 feet with the slack from the cleanout to our camera. This is the city main tie-in. We will now begin to pull back and start our inspection. You can see a root on the left-hand side as we come back on the sewer line. And that there is the transition from concrete to ABS where the root has gained access to the line. As we pull back through the ABS, you can see a consistent amount of minor grease. You can see here a severe separation in the ABS pipe where some toilet paper is getting hung up. Directly after the separation, you can see here is a fitting where a cleanout ties in. This cleanout is visible from the middle of the entrance to the driveway, where there is a cap for it. We have located the separation and put paint down. It is 6 feet deep. Minor belly in the line sitting at 19 feet. You can see here the 3-inch cleanout in the driveway that we have gained access through. And this completes our inspection.